What's the best ERP software? It's kind of a silly question, isn't it? It's like asking, what's the best house? Well, it depends on your family size, lifestyle, and budget. The same goes for ERP systems. There's no one-size-fits-all platform. Hi, I'm Jeff Budiak with Software Connect, your trusted partner for software reviews, research, and recommendations. In this video, I'll highlight some of our favorite ERP systems available today. But first, I want to emphasize an inherent caveat with the ERP software market. There's no singular best system. What works great for one business model could be a total nightmare for another. While most ERP systems are designed to be modular to function for a wide array of customers, ERP developers are still forced to make design decisions that limit their adaptability. Some excel at multi-entity financials, while others are built for job costing. Some handle inventory at the serial level, while others assume simpler stock tracking. ERPs can vary in their support for different manufacturing models, sales order processing, and even reporting structures. So choosing the best ERP isn't about rankings, it's about fit. The right system should match your business model, not the other way around. We've seen too many companies struggle because they force an ERP to work for them with heavy customizations. This leads to lengthy implementations, high costs, and future compatibility issues. Customization bloat is one of the most common reasons we've seen ERP projects fail. So how do you find the right one? We actually have a guide for that on our website at softwareconnect.com. We've seen firsthand and at scale what works and what doesn't. Alternatively, we offer free consultations with our ERP experts. Just click on the link in the description to get started. Alright, so in this video, instead of giving you a ranked list, I'm going to highlight some of our favorite features from various ERPs, including Microsoft Dynamics 365, NetSuite, Acumatica, and SYSPRO. First up, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a common platform we'll recommend for wholesalers. It has some great tooling for setting custom pricing strategies. With features like customer item pricing and price groups, you can adjust costs down to the smallest detail. For example, you can set customer-specific rates. Base these around individual preferences, purchase volumes, or even unit of measure, whether it's per piece or box. If they order in bulk, you can offer volume discounts automatically. Need to run a time-sensitive promotion? Business Central can let you assign special rates with start and end dates. This will save you a ton of administrative headaches and keep your pricing competitive. Plus, you can assign customers to predefined groups. Think wholesale, retail, or bulk. This lets you quickly adjust pricing for entire segments. Overall, I think it's a pretty solid pick if you're managing complex pricing structures, and it's fairly easy to pick up if you're familiar with Microsoft products. Unlike many ERP developers, Microsoft is pretty transparent about Business Central's pricing. The Essentials plan starts at $70 per user per month, so if you have around 5 to 10 users, you can expect to pay anywhere from $1,500 to $2,700 monthly on licensing and support. For the consumer retail space, we generally suggest a platform like NetSuite, and for good reason. It has some of the best financial planning tools out there. It supports multiple locations, so it consolidates metrics from all your stores automatically. This makes it easier to perform large-scale forecasting and planning based upon all your available data, whether that's by customer, product, or store. That's because the ERP has built-in algorithms that pull from historical trends, sales opportunities, and existing orders. You can fine-tune forecasts to account for seasonality or apply percentage adjustments to project growth. These updates auto-sync across your system, so you'll always have a clear picture of future demand. Another big plus of its financial planning tool? It lets you model scenarios with its what-if analysis feature. Dive into specific market segments and compare best and worst-case scenarios side by side in an interactive graph. You can even see how certain scenarios might impact revenue, costs, and profits. The result? You'll have a better idea of what's coming and can make informed decisions, whether it's for one store or a chain of locations. When it comes to cost, NetSuite's pricing is notoriously opaque. At minimum, you're looking at about $2,000 per month to get started with NetSuite, but most businesses' monthly expenses land somewhere between $3,000 and $5,000, depending upon how complex your setup is. Like many ERPs, NetSuite isn't transparent with their pricing. This can make getting accurate quotes frustrating. That's where we come in. With just one quick phone call, we at Software Connect can gather quotes from multiple providers and platforms. We'll save you time and ensure you find a solution that fits your needs. Click on the link in the description or visit softwareconnect.com to get started. Alright, next I want to highlight a product we often recommend for professional services, Acumatica. It's modular, flexible, and offers a range of tools designed to simplify complex workflows. The CRM module is definitely worth mentioning. While many businesses use separate systems like HubSpot or Salesforce, Acumatica's integrated CRM eliminates the needs for external platforms. This makes it easy to create quotes for leads, convert them into customers, and start billing all within the same system. Acumatica provides a clear, user-friendly dashboard to track your most profitable customers. You'll see metrics like opportunity win rates and leads by campaign, helping your team focus efforts where they matter most. The CRM can also handle lead and resource management. The latter connects directly to CRM to track your project details and skill requirements. This makes it easy to assign all the right people to the right jobs the first time around, a plus for consultants and marketers alike, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. You can also create and track leads, filter them by campaign or source, and even store attributes like industry, company, and revenue. This makes it simpler to qualify leads and convert them into opportunities and track all related activities between, like phone calls or emails. Now, unlike many ERPs, Acumatica doesn't charge per user. Its pricing typically starts at $1,000 to $1,500 for the most basic setup, but most businesses spend between $3,000 and $5,000 monthly, dependent upon your transaction volume and the modules needed. As you bring in more users and handle more transactions, you'll need to scale up your resources and data storage, and that's where the costs start to climb. Next up, let's talk about SYSPRO. We've worked with many manufacturers over the years, and SYSPRO is one of our repeat recommendations, due in large part to its production planning tools. This ERP excels at balancing workflows regardless of mode, whether you're recipe or bill of material based. Its drag and drop scheduling makes it easy to visualize your production timeline, while auto-scheduling helps optimize jobs with minimal effort. Plus, SYSPRO's production planning includes dashboards that provide a real-time view of KPIs for your people and machines. For example, you can track metrics like overall labor and equipment effectiveness to measure productivity, availability, and quality. This helps you quickly pinpoint underutilized machines on the shop floor, making it easier to address problems before they ever impact your production line. As for pricing, SYSPRO typically starts at $1,000 to $2,500 per month for smaller setups, but this can vary significantly based upon the number of users, required modules, and transaction volumes. These are just a few of the great ERPs available. Check out our roundup for the full list. If you're in manufacturing, we also cover Odoo for smaller companies and SAP S/4HANA for enterprises. If you're in e-commerce or need stronger accounting and inventory optimization, we cover platforms like TallyPrime too. They might not be on your radar, but they offer powerful solutions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment with your questions. Ready to explore ERP options? Click on the link in the description or visit softwareconnect.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.